ye, hear ye! It's another Roof Right Minute!
It's important to keep your gutters clear of debris to prevent damage to certain areas of your home, like the roof's edge and the home's foundation. You may notice areas of your landscaping or mulch below the gutter line that have been washed away. You can also look at where your downspouts empty when it rains and make sure the water is flowing freely. There may also be debris in your gutters that you can see from the ground. These are all indications that your gutters need cleaned. If you have large trees in your area, you should have gutter cleaning scheduled at least once a year. Gutter cleaning can be a dangerous job and should be left to the professionals. The risk of cleaning your own gutters include falls resulting in bodily injury, as well as accidental damage to your property. Contact us here at Roof Right to help you with not only your gutter needs, but any other home exterior needs you may have.